Are you overwhelmed by bookkeeping in your Shopify store? Accurate bookkeeping is essential for success. It helps track profits, ensures tax compliance, and guides growth. Without it, you could face chaos, lost opportunities, and tax penalties. Facing challenges like tracking expenses, managing sales, or compliance. These tasks can drain your time and energy. Meet QuickBooks, the solution to streamline your bookkeeping. With QuickBooks, enjoy real-time transaction sync, eliminating manual entries and reducing errors. Generate detailed financial reports for a clear view of your business. Effortlessly track expenses and automate workflows to reclaim your time. The standout feature: cash flow forecasting. Predict financial health, optimize decisions, and anticipate challenges. But is QuickBooks for you? For many, it's complex and requires time to master. Enter doola bookkeeping. Unlike software-only solutions, doola provides human expertise. Enjoy peace of mind with dedicated bookkeepers and CPAs managing your accounts. Why choose doola? Access personal support, save time, and join thousands of satisfied businesses. Transform your bookkeeping experience today. Ditch the tedious spreadsheets and embrace automation. Focus on your passion, growing your business. Book a demo with a doola expert now. Let us take care of your bookkeeping so you can thrive.